This is a panoramic image file. It's usually a JPEG with special metadata that tells viewers to display it in 360 degrees. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look around. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the PANO archive, even if it can't fully extract it. The PANO file extension is associated with Apple's Panorama Image format. When capturing a panoramic photo on an iPhone or iPad, the resulting image is often saved with the PANO extension. This format allows users to create wide, sweeping images by stitching together multiple individual photos seamlessly. The PANO format is designed to preserve the high resolution and detail captured during the panoramic shooting process. Apple's Panorama algorithm intelligently blends and aligns the individual frames, correcting for perspective and exposure variations to create a cohesive and visually appealing panoramic image. The format typically stores the image data in a compressed format, balancing file size with image quality. Viewing PANO files is best achieved using Apple's native Photos app or compatible image viewers that support the format's specific encoding. Official support for PANO is primarily provided through Apple Photos from Apple Inc. The file's minimalist design confuses most native Windows file handlers. Windows offers limited editing options, so complete image control requires imaging software. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the PANO file and choose Open With. Use Apple Photos first. If it's absent, select another program. This systematic test sequence is essential. If you still cannot open your PANO file, that is okay. Your system failed to open the PANO file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, use Image Viewer. Open the file using an image viewer, e.g. Google Photos Picasa, that supports panoramic projection. Next, check codecs. Ensure the necessary image codecs are installed on your system. Finally, convert to JPG-PNG. Use an image editor to convert the PANO file to the standard JPG or PNG format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.